Sharks versus dinosaurs! Ready? Great white. Ready? Megalodon versus Megateeth. Subscribe for more.
I don't know, but I saw some big presents in there.
You want to go see what they are?
They're probably not good.
Here, please.
Sure, what's up?
I have to go run some errands real quick. Can you please make...
Alright, sounds good to me.
Anyways, I'm gonna be gone. I'm leaving till later tonight. But you better behave. Just a friendly reminder. The big man, Santa, he's coming tonight.
Dad there. It'll be easy because Dad doesn't pay attention.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
And the monster's gonna go upstairs and play. So, see ya.
Wait a second. Okay, I'll be watching you.
Alright,
Dad?
Ow! Guys, a little loud.
That's way too close to the presents. I don't think we can do this.
Yeah, Dad doesn't stand a chance. Let's see what present we have. Follow me! Here, take one. You should.
Testing.
Okay, what now?
I'll show you. Okay, walk in. Dad, I need your help. That's genius. Dad, come up here.
I'm coming. I don't know where you are. You know, where did you go?
Dad.
Or not?
Where are you guys? I can't even find you.
See, we're good.
Alright guys, I know you're hiding from me. You better come out. I'm gonna find you.
Here or what?
Let me try.
You ever come in here?
Where's that coming from?
Dad, you're taking so long.
What?
Hurry up.
I knew it!
Yeah, that might take a while.
Boys, I know you can hear me. Come in right now.
Yeah.
Open up! What? Stop! That'll do for sure. Perfect!
Oh, I just hiding
heard like a car pull up.
Mom's house!
I know.
Any trouble while I was gone?
No.
No, you're good.
Do you think bad will happen because we opened our presents early?
No, nothing ever bad happened. I saw their dad in the video. Yeah, sometimes we have fun filming, which we do all the. He has like the dog tag and everything. That's by far my favorite picture.
Yes. That's an
Or go to our Facebook page or Instagram page, and go to our Facebook page and Instagram page anyways. Giving us these scooters and doing the video, and if you're looking into getting a Hey guys, today we're in Long Beach City. We're gonna go check it out.
That's so giant.
Huh?
That's
You know, sea slugs are pretty small, but they get bigger than this. Cat with no legs.
I don't think they're pigeons.
They are now. Well, that's weird. It's like.
I'm seriously like.
Just put your arm out. That doesn't hurt. Just put your arm out. They're all over me.
Oh yes. Did you get him? I would ate my finger.
And all that. It's like crazy. So we're on the ship and we're trying to find these dogs for. I need to catch the Staryu. So when you move it, it says how far the. This is like the kind of pretty space when you go on the camera. It's like. Oh yeah, these are a lot smaller, and you're kicking me in the back or in the shoulder. Nice. Oh. What if I just push you down? So hope I can find it because they don't have it, and I want one. Like and subscribe.
Bum bum ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. Bum bum bum, bum ba-dum bum 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 bum, bum ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum 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 bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" Duck said goodbye. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "Look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we ever sold. Why not give it a go?" The duck said, "How about no?" Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "That's it. If you don't stay away, duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you there all day stuck. So don't you get too close." Duck said, "Adios." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand, and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any glue?" "What? Got any glue? Why would I?" And one more question to you. Got any grapes? Bum 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 bum. And the man just stopped. He started to smile. He started to laugh. He laughed for a while. He said, "Come on, Doc, let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes, so you don't have to ask anymore." So they walked to the store, and the man bought some grapes. He gave one to the duck, and the duck said, "No, thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day." Do you think this store? Do you think this store? Do you think this store has any lemonade? Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. 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 Then he waddled away, waddle waddle.